What is up? I'm pretty sure you guys already know what is going down by the title and the thumbnail of this video. Nice and loud, baby. Oh yeah. Oh. Alright. I got a new car. As you guys know from the last video, about to take the exhaust off. It is 120 degrees out here. Obviously, I'm not going to leave the exhaust off. That's for ricers. My neighbor's watching me. This is low-key weird. I'm just going to act like I'm looking at the ground for a second. Alright, as I was saying, yeah, I'm not going to leave the exhaust off. I mean, who does that nowadays? Leaves the exhaust off and just drives around like that? Nah, it's not cool. I'm going to straight pipe it, slam it to the ground. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah. Alright, I got the first bolts out. Now I need to take out the second one. The back. It's hot.
You see, he's wearing all black.
Yeah, and out here in the 150-degree weather in Mexico, you already know it gets hot out here. But yeah, I got it pretty much out. That's it. I just gotta pull it out now. See if I can get it out.
Man, that's a big one, AJ. You know everything is foreign when you have a fucking pipe this big.
So now that it's off, you guys see that it's out. I'm gonna start it up and show you how it sounds. Hopefully it's not too loud. Hope I don't piss my neighbors off too much, but oh well. Who cares? Backfires. So that's pretty much it for the day. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new, subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.